In this video, we are discussing the MCQs part, second year part. If we discuss briefly and shortly, we have 10 chapters, 11 poems and 1 novel. So approximately 22 composition we have, 22 writers, authors and novelists. Reduced syllabus, we have only 10 to 15 authors or we have poets. So we are discussing number 1 MCQs base is a composition base. So we have two types of composition. One side is open composition. We have 10 chapters and 11 poems and 1 novel. In number of cases we have inside composition. In the brief introduction, of the writer authors, we have other composition of the author. We will discuss these elements. So such as we have these poems were composed by 6 poems or 5 poems are composed by these poets or mentions. It's quite easy, comprehensive, you can understand. There's no need to memorize. Naturally, you have to memorize spontaneously. You can understand this idea. 7 Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. The Lost Star by G. Allen, a Pakistani poet. And Say Not to Struggle, Not a Valid, author Hikla, and remaining poems. So these 5 poems, then we have 5 poets. Second, we have chapters. These 5 chapters, though we have 10 chapters, but in reduction syllabus, we have only 5 chapters and 5 authors. So Mrs. Kenton, 20 minutes Mrs. Kenton, it was composed by a Frank author. In the last chapter we have Devoted Friend, it was composed by Oscar Wilde. And we have only 1 novel, the name of the novel is The Prisoner of Zenda. It was composed by Anthony Hope. The title of Anthony Hope is Sir Anthony Hope. And number 2 types of composition. One side we have open compositions. Number next is in number of cases in the brief introduction of the author. We have other composition that author composed apart from this composition. One is present and past. It was written, it was mentioned in Reflections on the Reawakening East, and it was a book composed by Carlyle. Second, we have Principia Mathematica, Bertrand Russell. Apart from Reflections on the Reawakening East, we have another poem. We have another composition. It was the very first composition or book composed by Bertrand Russell. We have Dorian Gray. It was novel. It was composed by Oscar Wilde. He composed Devoted Friend by his name and fame was started when he composed this novel. And right number 2 tab we have a statement base. Whether we have statements, we have dialogues, we have sentences. Within this statement, we have 3 and 4 category. So the very first is heaven doesn't always make the right man a king. It was taken from the novel, and it was spoken by Captain Fritz, right one. And the devil has its share in most things. Again, we have Captain Fritz, but we have 2 cases. In one place, these 2 statements they were composed or they were uttered by one is Colonel Sapt. In other case, so this one is better for you to understand. So we have 2 speakers here. Number next statement, it was spoken by the Princess of Flavia, Princess Flavia. Second is spoken to the hero of the novel, Rodolphe Rossendale. The last chapters we have. A real friend should have everything in common. It was taken from the chapter. The name of the chapter is Devoted Friend, spoken by Hugh Miller, spoken to Little Hans. And then number 2 is statement same. Number 3 is same. Number 4 is same statement. Number next we have, if hopes were dupes, fears may be lied. If hopes were dupes and fears may be liars, it was a poetic word, and it is the poetic words. It is taken from the poem. The name of the poem is Arthur Hikla. Right one. So maybe you will be given the last word will be missing, and you will be given 4 and 5 option. You have to fill any one of them, which must be correct. Sense teeth, sense eyes, sense everything. The very last line of 7 Ages of Man by Shakespeare. Sense means without, at the end of the life of the man, a human, he is without everything, without eye, or without taste, or without teeth, though he or she had teeth, but teeth are not function. Next we have vengeance is not wickedness, it's not wicked to punish the evildoer. The very first chapter. And Mrs. Kenton, it was spoken by he, the soldier, right one. Second is she was traveling at 50 miles an hour in the built-up area. Same modern cosmopolitan is based upon science and machinery. We have one sentence, one statement. The very last 2 words, they may be missed. One is science and machinery in 2015 or 13. It was given and the last two words were missed, and you are supposed to fill with the 3 and 4 options. My political ideal is that of democracy. Almost in every one you will find this sentence. The last word will be missed. Democracy with the 3 and 4 options. If human freedom, in the philosophical sense, I am definitely disbeliever. The word disbeliever will be missed, will be given different options. It was spoken by Albert Einstein. He doesn't believe in human freedom philosophical sense. There are different ideas of different people. We have different ideology, directly or indirectly, or consciously, unconsciously. It was the truth, goodness, and beauty. These 3 values highlighted Albert Einstein. He got motivation from these 3 words. What seemed to me a contemptible thing. Again, we have Einstein. He bitterly criticized, hated the war. Reason is the Second World War. He saw himself. He was Jewish, and hundreds and thousands of Jews were killed in the war. The fiercest thing that we can experience is mysterious. The word mysterious will be given with different options. Right. Number 3rd is database, number base, and date base. So one example, 5.3 under 8 stones. So 5.3 is the height of Mrs. Ocantum, and the weight was under 8 stone. Maybe at that time a 3 stone weight was counted. Second is 50 miles. She was driving at the 50 miles in a built-up area. So 50 miles, 5.3 or 8, they all are the data or numbers. 100 million Muslim at the time of independence in subcontinent, 100 million Muslim used to live. And 300 million Hindus, they used to live. And the 2 largest nations of the world, they used to live together at the time of partition. And second, we have 18 months in jail, Mrs. Ocantum. After committing accident, she was punished to sentence. She was punished of 18 months in jail. So she spent 18 months in jail. It was the kind of punishment for her. Yes. Number next is we have 1953. 1953 is mentioned in the very first chapter. Mrs. Ocantum. It was he who visited Korea in 1953. 1950, the very first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan, he visited the USA. It was the very first visit of Prime Minister of Pakistan in 1950. And we have 3 nationalities. Albert Einstein, he was German, he was Swiss, and he was American at the end of his time. 6 cows, 100 sacks of flour. The miller, the property of the miller, apart from the house and mill, he had 6 cows and 100 sacks of flour in his mill. Anthony Hoppe composed 7 novels in totality, and The Prisoner of Zenda was his 6th novel. Second is 10 and 50. If we discuss about Prisoner of Zenda, we have Zenda State and Stelsa. Zenda is the distance between Zenda and border was 10 miles, and Zenda and Stelsa 50 miles. So these all are the numbers you have to just keep in your mind. Next is a vocabulary base. As we discuss in vocabulary base, different words will be given. So number 1 is find out the origin of that word. Second, we have idioms, collocation of phrases, and the last is simple words in your hand. You have to write down the meaning. Samson word is in fact a Hebrew word. This language is used in Arab country still, and the 3 heavenly books were revealed in this book, Hebrew language, and the meaning of the Samson is son. We have a monotheist word, one who believes in one God, and polytheist, one who believes in a number of gods. And second is vengeance, revenge. Oblivion in Shakespeare, a poem, 7 Ages of Man, it is composed, the very second last line, forgetfulness. So these all are the part of your vocabulary. The very last we have sense. So sense means it's originally is a French word, and the meaning of this word is without. Number 5, we have a reference base. 7 Ages of Man has been taken from the drama. The name of the drama is As You Like It. We have seen an act. In last 5 years, you will find this word frequently in almost after every year. Location is Forest of Arden, right? When we discuss, it was composed by Shakespeare. It was uttered by Ajax. So we, apart from this example, we have different examples. You can see yourself. Second, we have different names and places. Stanthorpe is the name of the town as well as a station name. It is mentioned in the very first chapter, Mrs. Ocantum. Number next is Kansas is a university. In 1951, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, he visited, he was invited at Kansas University. The six in a novel we have, the six, they are criminals and three are Ruritanians, three are foreigners. You are supposed to know the names and their nationalities. Second, we have Delilah, the name of the wife of Samson. It is not directly mentioned in 7 Ages of Man, but we have this name. Manoah is the name, it is mentioned in the book in Samson Agonist. And second is the name of the father of Samson. He saw the entire scene when Samson was putting his efforts, and at the end of the effort he died. So the scene was told by Manoah. Secondly, Philistine is a nation. Before Islam, this nation, there were different nations, one of them, this nation. And we have introduction of this nation, the deadly enemies of Samson. So these all are the names. Apart from this name, we have different names, human names. One is Alexander the Great, a very first name and most important name in reflections on the reawakening is. Right one, he was the king of Roman. Columbus, Vasco da Gama, they laid the foundation of USA. They were a tourist, discoverer, navigator, sailor. They are different titles. They laid the foundation of European country. They discovered USA. Apart from these names, we have 7 names more. But in your book, you have these names. So these all are the names and vocabulary part. If you find any problem, if you want to aid anything, you're most welcome. In comment box, you can ask, you can aid. Thank you.